Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to do a quick review on Merlin AI. Now Merlin AI, from here let us see what we're going to get from Merlin AI. This is the website. Now they say plans are a chat away, images are a chat away, so just type in what you want to be explained, click on this and to do it for you. As simple as that. Now let us see. These are the things to enjoy with Merlin AI. You get one-click answers in real time. Good, you can get content from wherever you are and just ask one click, like I said earlier. So moving on, you can add contents with anything. Learn smart. No, and you don't have to be in a rush. It's for those that build. If you're a builder, you can use Merlin AI to get research with real-time info, visualize insights, and build products with words. Now, it's available in about 200 plus countries, so you can experience the best of AI with Merlin, even in regions when ChatGPT and other LMMs are restricted. You can also add an extension. It helps you stay social, not drained. With Merlin's Chrome extension, be digitally present effortlessly, engage, reach out, and express better with the world. Now, it has all top AI models in one. Instant access latest models as soon as they're live for free. You can see the models we're talking about, look at them, all great. You can see DeepSeek, Gemini, Mestralize, Liam, Lima. So we have ChatGPT and Clouding. So you see so many great AI models in one. There's so many of them. You get it is secured and it is customizable. So it adapts to your context, knowledge, your brand voice with industry leading security. And all of this on your device. You can work with Merlin across all devices with synced history, access to your custom prompts and chatbots, and all the great Merlin magic effortlessly. All that and more. You can create, research, and summarize too. And it is your workflow, but it is the magic of Merlin AI. Whether you're a student, marketer, tech pro, or even a founder, Merlin can make your life much easier at work. For students, these are the things you get, the advantages for marketers and creators, advantages for entrepreneurs, and for developers. Like I said, it's a quick review. If you want to know more, go to the site and you get more. For analysts, consultants, you get so many values. So it gives you the most valuable AI subscription ever. Untrack yourself from thousands of tools with overlapping features. Here you have the free version over here, but you actually not really free, more like you purchase them individually. You can see the price tag on each of them. And then we have the Merlin version where you pay. This is called Other, is called Merlin. Alright, what I'm trying to actually say is that if you use other AI tools, you pay for each of these models, AI models individually. But if you use Merlin, all you pay $19 per month and they are billed annually and you get everything. One purchase is all it takes to get everything. So if you want to know more, you can go through this path of Merlin. And it's so great. So teams love them. Merlin is great, all-in-one AI extension to write, summarize, code, and play. So many things you can get for LinkedIn. You can see every good thing. It has AI detector, AI essay writer, program music checker, AI translator, Bible GPT, 70 plus more AI tools. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.